In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Robinhood Gold subscription using the mobile app. If you no longer want the premium membership or want to avoid future charges, you can cancel it directly from your account settings. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone and sign into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile icon in the bottom corner to open your account menu. After that, go to the menu or settings section and look for the Robinhood Gold option. Tap on it to continue. Inside the Robinhood Gold section, you'll see details about your current membership, billing cycle, and subscription benefits. Scroll down until you find the option to manage membership or cancel subscription. Tap on it to continue. Robinhood may show a few messages explaining which premium features you'll lose access to after cancellation. Read through the information carefully, then continue with the cancellation process. You may be asked to confirm your decision one more time before the subscription is officially cancelled. After confirmation, Robinhood should display a message showing when your Gold membership will end. In most cases, you'll continue to have access to Gold features until the end of your current billing cycle or trial period. To make sure the cancellation was successful, go back to the Robinhood Gold section and check your subscription status. If you signed up through a third-party billing method, you may also need to manage the subscription through your device's subscription settings. If you do not see the cancel option, make sure your app is updated to the latest version and that your account is fully accessible. And that's how you can cancel your Robinhood Gold subscription. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple app tutorials.